When was the last time you were at the JKIA? 2 months ago, this stretch of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport looked completely different. Heavy constructions, unfinished sections, dust, traffic, and honestly, many people still doubted how this transformation will turn out. Today, things are changing fast. From newly installed street lights and pedestrian footpaths to landscaping, drainage system, and urban beautification, Nairobi's main gateway road to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport is slowly taking a whole new identity. For travelers, this stretch creates first impression of Nairobi. For investors, it reflects the city's ambition and growth. And for the residents, it represents a possible shift toward more modern urban experience. In today's update, I'll take you on a raw and filtered tour along the JKIA stretch. I just want you to see the real progress on the ground. I also got a chance to interact with motorists and road users, at least to hear what they truly think about this facelift. If you're here for the very first time, please consider subscribing to this channel, give the video a very big thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. What do you think about this facelift? So let's do a road tour, and guys, expect a lot of content from me. I've been away for some time, but I'm now back with a lot of content. By the way, I have a lot to share with you, so stick around, make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you get a chance to maybe share the video, feel free to share it to as many people as possible. Let's do this. Some beautiful street lights here. Just show you, we have that one and we have another one right ahead. So a bit of some landscaping still going on, and the stretch of the road here was also recently tarmacked. The last time I was here it wasn't tarmacked, and this is how the stretch looks. Very smooth, well tarmacked. You see, this is the situation. So I'll be going right ahead and then making a turn right ahead. So come along with me, guys. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, give the video a very big thumbs up, and let's go. Wow, so nice, so nice. Mambo, poa? Sawa. So those are the workers still at work. Menda. So here they're doing landscaping, as you can see. They're planting some beautiful flowers there. So this kind of work is happening like the entire stretch, on this side, the right and the left, on the left side and on the right side. So I'm just gonna be making a turn at the roundabout so that I can show you. Hello, how are you doing? When was the last time you came at the airport?
I just came here recently.
What do you feel about this rehabilitation happening around this stretch?
What I can say, if you compare this place and this place, the last time we did, like 2 months ago,
Yes.
It's something that inafurahisha sana.
Inafurahisha, imechange.
The last one, even if it is the first was not there.
Was not there.
Yeah, so but now this they can pass very well. Since better, there's no pothole.
Yes.
Compare the look of even the airport inakaa somehow
Inakaa iko smart.
Yeah, so it's something that is interesting.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
And see at least something good like this. You know, the airport is always the image of the country. Imagine someone coming to Kenya from maybe diaspora, anafika JKIA, anapata aikai smart, si kitu mzuri. At least the government is doing something good, and we need more of these projects, right?
Exactly.
Thank you so much. So guys, I'm still proceeding. Let me just show you the entire stretch, show you the kind of work happening, and then we'll call it a day. If you already love this video, give it a thumbs up. Ebu ambie subscribe, like, and share. That was just a random driver here at the airport. I want to cross to the other side. Yeah. So this is the roundabout. This stretch is a bit busy. It's a bit busy. I need to be careful. This is something that I really appreciate the government for doing, because you know, the airport is normally the face of the country, and when it's appealing, it's also something good. The only thing they need to add is maybe to mark the road, because you know, it was recarpeted and it's not yet marked. I think this is something they're going to be doing very soon. So yeah, let's proceed. Speed limit here is 20 kilometers per hour. So before I proceed, guys, I want to officially welcome all of you to my channel, especially my new subscribers from Rwanda. I was recently in Rwanda, and the kind of love and support they showed me, I really appreciate. I'm back in my home country, Kenya. Here I'll be showing you infrastructure developments, travel destinations here in Kenya before I go to a new country. So guys, you better stick around here, watch my videos, like them, feel free to share them to as many people as possible. Let's go. So this other side, work is still actively happening. Yeah, this is the exit side. Where are you watching me from, guys? Where are you watching me from? Let me know at the comment section below. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and share. I really love this kind of drainage systems. They're a bit wide. So how I wish they were like fully closed. It will be a nice thing. Habari zenyu? Mko poa?
Tunaona vituko kwa mkono.
Vituko.
Unaogopa?
Msiogope.
Napenda hii mwenye.
Bye. What? Mambo. Uko poa? Naweza kusaidia? Naweza kusaidia? Naekaje?
Toa tu ukiweka vile zinaendanisha hivyo tu. Basi na kutoa vizuri.
Sawa. Nikishaweka hapa na gonga kidogo. Nafanya kazi nzuri.
Asante.
Haya, Naeka hapa.
Sasa kikuchukua ni kufinye on.
Iko tu on. Ipo?
Hai.
Si.
Sawa.
Nafanya kazi poa.
Unaona ina shine sasa.
Ina shine vizuri sana. Kwanza ile
Alafu
side
waweke
nyingine.
rangi sasa. Unaona hivi.
Wanataka kupaka rangi.
Zote hivyo. Hizi wataweka mpya rangi nyingine tofauti.
Hapa. Alafu huku kwa barabara watapaka rangi pia. Alafu huku watafunga. Huku hawatafunika. Wataweka maua yote.
Unaona vile inakaa huku.
Yeah.
Maua na kala na ile maji itakuwa inaenda. Natoka.
Itakuwa kitu smart sana. Nimependa ile kazi mnafanya. Muendelee hivyo hivyo kujituma.
Tupatie ni kasoda nasema.
Kasoda? Na niko na soda kweli, hebu niangalie kama niko nayo.
Utabarikiwa.
Soda huwezi kosa jamani. Soda umepata.
Barikiwa niende.
Mungu alisema mwenye anaomba ndiye anasaidiwa.
Anasaidiwa. Asante
soda
sana.
yako ndio hiyo. Sawa. Asante sana. Wewe endelea kujituma.
Asante sana.
Bye. Hebu ambia watu bye.
Bye.
Sawa. Okay. So we are still proceeding, guys, as you can see. I was just trying to interact with the people who work here. By the way, guys, these people are really doing amazing work. Working here with all the conditions, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's so sunny. Yeah, inataka kujituma. So kudos to the people who are doing this job. Kudos to the CRBC for doing this amazing job. Wow, that was the updates of the JKIA renovations as at today. Guys, let me know what you think about the current rehabilitation happening in the entire stretch of the ABC to JKIA. Let me know at the comment section below, and stick around here for more content. I'll be giving you content back to back, so you better subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next one.